Hey everybody, I apologize I haven't been posting as much. I've been busy with life things and working on some projects lately for friends and myself. One project I got going, I got a couple hours left in it. Another project, well, part of the same project. I already got these ones printed up though. Got to do some threaded inserts in them. Those aren't the ones with threaded inserts. Those aren't the ones with threaded inserts. That's the one with threaded insert. So, got to get those all finished up, but this is the project I've really been working on. This guy. So, this is the new riser that I was talking about that I wanted to make. It's this is the first thing I've really gotten this intense of, done magnets all the way through it. It has TPU gaskets all the way through, just to give it that little extra, and it's got them all the way around, all four sides. So just put those back up when you want that heat to stay in there. And then, what did I? I did. We now have the light in that new riser, all the way around, plugged into the, push that in a little more, there we go. Plugged into the interior light that used to be there. Okay, and I think it's looking great. And on top, it's got a diffuser gasket you put in there, so it's not blinding the rest of your room or you when you're trying to look in it. So yeah, that's been my latest project. I will post the filaments I used for it and where you can grab this print at in the description below.